So if you want to know how to use the hash card of the BTC mining application, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Up on Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, click on the bell sign so you get notified each time I upload updates like this for you. Okay guys, before I go any further, as I always tell you, when you come to this application, the first thing you need to do is clear the blocks that are waiting for you. I have about 63 blocks chilling waiting for me, so all I need to do now is to click on receive BTCs. Okay, okay, good. Then you check your mining factory over here. You can see you have some bitcoins waiting for you to be claimed from the miners. So all you need to do is click on it like this. Okay, click on each one. These are what you should do every day you open your application. First, these are the first thing you should do so you don't miss out. Come on, connection. Okay, this one, let's go. Okay, give it to me. Good. Let me check. I still have some more. Wow. All right. Okay, you do this every day. These are where you get your rewards from your miners daily. I think that's all. For now. Okay, yeah, that's all. Okay, so the next thing now is let's go to the hash card. You click here, click on your hash card. Okay, I have some that I've already executed, that I've already initiated, and I joined some, so that's what you can see here. So I want to initiate another one. Right here, you click on initiate. Okay, now it's left for you to choose if you want it to be for 2, 3, 4, or 5 people. Let me just put it on 3 people. Yeah, for 3 people, and I initiate like this. Successful. Close. Okay, now once you initiate a card like that, the first thing is you are going to be taking one part. So it is initiated for 3 people. So you that initiate it, you'll be having 1, then 2, the remaining 2 you should share your code right over here. The code that is up over here, you copy. Okay, close. I've just copied my code, which is here. So all I need to do now is to go to WhatsApp or Facebook, or anywhere you can share it. You go over there and just share. Let me just put it in here. Let me go to WhatsApp. I have a lot of groups on WhatsApp, so I'm gonna go to WhatsApp and share. Okay, let me just pick a group. Let me just pick one group here. So all I need to do right now in this group is you put a very nice message that will make people click on that will make people to copy up your hash code and use it. So let me just write like I am sharing my hash card with you to increase your mining power. Mining power. Then you put your code right there. paste. Let's make it bold like this. Okay, so once the person using you can add it the application. Okay, you can say available for 2 people. And then let's bracket it and put members of the BTCs application. You can put mining in front just to, that's all. Then all you need to do is click and paste. So that's all. You can do this, copy this message and share to other groups for people to use your hash card, and you'll see people are gonna use it. So so that's that for this video. So one more thing, once you finish posting your code and you have a lot of people, or you have people that use your code, you will see the slot will be finished. Then once the slot is full, you have to click on execute exchange. Let me see. Yeah, you see execute exchange right above here. Once you click on it, then it's done. So that's how you use your hash card. So if you find this video helpful, give me the thumbs up, and if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, smash the subscribe button and don't forget to hit on the bell sign so you get notified once I upload more updates like this. So I'll see you again in the next video. Ciao.